This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about shopping bags, specifically these Saving Nature paper retail bags. They're available in several colors. You can see we have the dark blue, white, red, craft, and black. So you have lots of fantastic options, especially if you're looking for bags for your retail store or food establishment. There's several sizes. The small is 6 inches by 3 1/4 inches deep and 8 1/4 inches tall. The medium is 10 by 6 3/4 inch deep and is 12 inches tall. And finally, the large is a fantastic big size. It's 16 inches across, 9 3/4 inches deep, and 17 1/4 inches tall. These bags are all constructed from 100% recycled craft paper, and they have really sturdy, fantastic loop handles. The paper is sturdy and durable, and they feature these reinforced loop style handles for a fantastic and attractive retail shopping bag that's easy to use. The bags stand open, as you can see, making them easy for packaging up orders or small favors and treats. They are shipped flat, which is fantastic and space saving, and they're great for packaging up things like to-go orders at restaurants and cafes, and they put that perfect polished touch on baked goods for bakeries, pastry shops, or even bistros. They're also great for things like retail clothing shops and gift shops as well.